Hey guys, PhoneArena here, and this is a video sample out of the Huawei P30 Pro. Shooting at 4K resolution, 30 frames per second with the main camera. What's cool about the P30 Pro is that you can switch between cameras as you're shooting video, and this is what the video looks like when you switch to the wide-angle camera. As you can see, I can fit a lot more in the frame. The tap takes me back to the main cam. I'm gonna do a bit of zooming action now. Here we are at 3 times zoom, 4 times, and boom, as soon as we hit 5 times zoom, the camera switches to the telephoto lens, which has 5 times zoom using its optics. And this is the furthest we can get. This is 15 times zoom. There is stabilization enabled in the video, as you can see. This is us back to the main camera. And as I'm walking down, you can see how well the image stabilization works. I'm holding the phone with one hand. And before we go, we're gonna do a quick autofocus checking. Let's see how well the autofocus works when we're using the wide-angle camera. Yes, this phone has a wide-angle camera that has autofocus as well. And it appears to be reliable. Alright, that was a video sample at 4K taken with the Huawei P30 Pro.